Oh, what have we got here? Brand new Dyson headphones. We're going to open this up and see what's inside. Okay. Very impressive box. Let's open her up. This is one of the few boxes where I actually just didn't rip it open, and I very carefully opened up the box like a professional. Okay. Let's see them in there. Is this the... I'm going to have to pause the video and pull them out. Okay, so we had the case, a white box, and an instruction manual. Okay, so I couldn't work out how to open up the case for a second, and then I tried to push this down, and then I could feel this clicking. And check that out. It's got a lock on it. You twist that. That's definitely a case to keep. Wow. That must be the air purifier, which I do not intend on wearing or using. And as you can see, I've got the electric blue color ones. First impressions, very heavy. They're good. They are heavy, even compared to these Bowers & Wilkins headphones. They're a $500 pair of headphones. Never really liked these ones. They had problems with the cutting out when you take it on and off your head. And these have the same feature, but I'll be looking forward to seeing how that performs, whether it cuts out or not when you move your head. Alright, I'm going to fire them up, do a proper review, try on this silly gadget, and you can subscribe and watch the next video where I test the performance of the brand new Dyson Zone air purifying headphones. It basically sucks air in through here. There's some filters in here that you can replace, and it pumps air out here, and you'll be breathing fresh air while also using headphones. So you've got a air pollution and noise pollution solution for health benefits, apparently, but as well as all the other reasons that you'd have headphones, like listening to music, taking phone calls, etc. So that'll be in my next video. I'll see you there.